Today we're looking at part number APS4. This is your single axle trailer hanger kit for your double I springs, and it has the 3 1/4 inch front hanger and 1 1/4 rear hanger. It comes boxed, pre-packaged, ready to go, and it includes 2 of the 3 1/4 inch tall front hangers, 2 of the 1 1/4 tall rear hangers, 4 of the 3 1/8 long shackle straps, 6 of the 3 inch long by 9/16 spring bolts, and 6 of the 9/16 slot nuts. Let's dive into it. So typically these are used for anything from 3,500 pound axles all the way up to 7,000 pound axles that are using the 1 3/4 inch wide double I leaf springs. It has the longer hangers, so it's especially good for like the bigger axles, 52 6s and 7K axles. It comes with the instructions sheet, so we'll just look at that real quick. So, trailer parts unlimited, and it has the instructions right here. Single axle hanger kit spacing is 24 3/4 from center hanger to center hanger. And then if you look at it down here, it's going to say the tandem axle hanger kit spacing for double I springs is 29.5 inches, center hanger to center hanger. And typically they're going to be 25 1/4 inch springs, double I. So looking in the box, we got everything for that single axle hanger kit. So you got your front hanger, rear hangers. You can see they're much longer than the other hangers already. You got all your bolts and nuts right here. Let's take a look at it. We got the 2 rear hangers that are skinnier than the front hangers, as you can see. So 2 front and 2 rear hangers. Then we got your 6 shackle strap spring bolts and your 6 block nuts with it, 9/16. Then you got your 4 shackle straps right here, and these shackle straps are going to be a little bit longer to accommodate. So let's just measure it all out so you can see. So these are your front hangers, obviously, rear hangers. So actually we'll just start down here. I'm not going to measure these because these are just 9/16 block nuts. So we got 6 of those. I'm going to throw those back in. Then we got the grade 5 bolt, spring bolt, 3 inches long from the beginning of the head to the end. And then overall, let's pull out the caliper right here. Overall it's going to be 3.35 inches long, and it's 9/16. So we got 6 of those. We have the shackle straps right here, has the 9/16 bolt hole right here, and the overall length on them is going to be 4.36, or from center hole to center hole. Roughly it's going to be 3.12. You can see that right here. And the thickness is 0.22. So now we're going to look at the front hanger. It has the holes in the top so you can weld right here. It has the spring bolts in the side for the 9/16 bolts, and it's tall. So the total overall length of it is going to be 3.86. So that's how tall it's going to come down. The width is 3.05, and then 2.43 or 2.56 at the bottom. Inside's going to be 2.08, 2.09, 3.06, or from top of the hanger to the center hole, it's roughly 3.22. And then you got your rear hanger. Of course, it's going to be skinnier right here. On the front hangers, the spring actually sits right in here. So you put your bolts in here, and your spring's actually going to sit right in this hanger right here. But on the rear hanger, it's obviously too skinny. So what a lot of people don't know is you actually use the shackle straps right here on the rear hanger. So what you do is you put your spring bolt in, push it through, and then put your shackle strap on the other side. And then you're going to put your spring right through here. So your spring's actually going to be sitting right here so it can pivot, and then you have your front hanger right there. So that's what you do on the rear. A lot of people ask me about that all the time. So that's actually the proper way to install it. So don't think that you're doing something wrong, just actually look at the instructions and it'll be simple. So let's just figure out this back one so you can see real quick. So it's going to be 3 inches by 1.84 inches. The inner diameter is going to be 1.39, and the height of this guy is going to be 2.10. 9/16 bolt hole. That's what you get. That's what you need to weld up the springs and everything, install the axle. You need the weld-on hanger kit. So this is what you need for the single axle hanger kit. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our store here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.